and the whole entire computer for the most part is stuck and built in right at this very bottom portion, which is actually pretty insane. Now you have a FaceTime camera at the very front top right here. It has a built-in microphone as well, which is really nice. You have your stand at the bottom, so you can go through and kind of put the stand up and down depending on which way you want it. It depends on kind of which way you want to go about it. On the one side, you don't really have too much. It's basically just thin bezels. And now we get to the bottom side. So on the left side, so if you're looking at it, the bottom left is going to be giving you these USB Type-C ports. So these are very nice and convenient because you can just go through and just plug in your ports here. It's very, very convenient, like I mentioned. On the right side, all the way at the end, you're basically getting your power button. So that is your power button, how you can go ahead and basically just power this thing on. And then you're getting right in the middle right here, you're basically getting your power adapter. So to set up your M4 iMac, it's actually a very, very basic process. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab your particular power adapter that comes inside of the box. So grab that power adapter, it's right inside of the box. You can just go and buy it, or it's already in the box if you picked it up. Connect the power adapter port to this particular block right here. And then what you want to do is you want to grab the other side of your power adapter, which looks like this. It's just your standard power adapter as you normally would get it. And all you want to do is you want to plug this in right inside of this hole right there. So grab this port right here and go ahead and plug it in just like this. It's a magnetic port, so it will automatically just kind of plug it into place. Now, at that time, what I'd recommend doing is to go through and just power on your Mac. Now, when you click on that power button, it should make a sound like you hear right now. And then you're almost ready to go. The next thing you're going to want to do is you want to grab a USB Type-C port, or your USB Type-C cord. If this is your first time connecting your Mac, to the keyboard, then this is your, how you want to do it. So like we mentioned before, these two USB-C ports right here, grab your USB Type-C cord that came right in the side of the box, and go ahead and plug this into your particular Mac, and then go ahead and grab your accessories. So these keyboards and these mouses come right inside of the box. So you can go through, just plug this keyboard in just like so, and you'll be able to actually have your keyboard fully connected now to your iMac. So that's one thing. That's how you're going to want to do it. It's very, very easy. So to connect your keyboard to your iMac, you want to go and plug in the cord just like this and plug it into the other side of your keyboard. Now to connect a Magic Trackpad or a mouse to your iMac, it's essentially the same process. So grab your Magic Mouse, grab whatever you have, make sure the cord is connected to your device like this, and then all you're going to want to do is plug in this particular cord to your Mac. So just like this one more time, you can go and plug in your Mac to your Magic Mouse, and that'll basically be able to configure and turn it on. So turn it on like this, and that should go ahead and see that it's on. And then finally, if you have a Magic Trackpad, it's more or less the same exact thing. Grab your cord, again, as long as your Mac is on, go ahead, plug it in, and that will go ahead and automatically connect your Mac to your Magic Trackpad. So now at this point, you should be good to go. So now if you go and take a look